In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can install Google Docs on your laptop. I'll be sharing with you how to achieve this using Google Chrome as well as with the Edge browser. So here I'm using the Edge browser, right? So you're going to select menu, then you're going to scroll down and look for more tools. Then you're going to select apps, then you're going to select install this site as an app. Select install. You can go ahead and create a shortcut and also auto login. So I'm going to select allow here. Now let's go to my desktop. Let's minimize. And you can see it has been installed as Doc1 because I previously had a document installed, right? Both of them will basically take me to the same thing. So let's do that. Same place, right? So let's go over now to Google Chrome for those who are Chrome fans, right? So you're going to select the menu icon, then you're going to scroll down, select cast, save and share. So first you want to ensure that you're on the docs page, then you're going to select menu, then you're going to scroll down and select cast, save and share. Now I don't get the option to save it as an app because it was already installed from Chrome. So I'm going to demonstrate this using another Google document, right? So let's say Sheets. Let's go to menu again, cast, save and share, and then install page as an app. That's what you're going to look out for. So let's install. And now you'll see that I have two sheets on my desktop. So one was done with Chrome and one was done with Edge. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.